Can somebody please explain this to me? I just cut this watermelon up. Look at it. This is what the brand is. It's an exclusive variety, alright. Look at this thing. What are they selling us? Look at this. I just cut this open. No, this is not how a watermelon is supposed to be. Beware, guys. I don't know what the hell they selling us anymore. I told my wife this was going to happen. It's going to be so many food recalls. Oh my God, no.